Hello, good morning students. Today we shall deal with class 10 prose piece in English on our Shiksha Sanjog Nuapada e-learning teaching program. This is a new chapter newly included in the textbook. The name of the lesson is The Festivals of Northeast India. In this lesson, we have a vivid description, clear description about the states of Northeast India. When we say about Northeast India, first of all, let us look at the map of India. Look at the map of India. In this map, the northeast corner is specially designed. In northeast corner of India, there are 8 states. And these 8 states are divided into 2 groups. 7 states in one group and 1 state is in other group. These 7 states are contiguous. They are closely connected with one another, whereas this one is not contiguous. It is separated. So, in the history of Northeast India, these 7 states are called the land of 7 sisters. They are called the land of 7 sisters, whereas this non-contiguous state is their younger brother. This is separated, not closely connected with other 7. In this text, what we have, I am not going to explain in detail. It is our task to read line by line silently, just to get information. So, in our PDF, what we have given, first the text is given. If we read the text, we shall get information, and the detailed information is given in a table. The table is classified into 5 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is the name of the state. The other one is the name of the festival. Time or season. Time, month or season. Third one. Fourth one is purpose. And the last one is their speciality. Under 5 heads, we have divided the whole lesson for each state. These 5 items are shown in the form of a table. Why a table? From reading skill, we shall switch over to writing skill. This is our first attempt to develop writing skill so far as the controlled writing skill. So what we have to do? We have the text, we have the table. After that, we have designed one activity. In that activity, we have the fill in the blank. In the form of activity 1, we have a table. The table is in the form of a fill in the blank activity. We shall read the text, or we shall look at the table, and we shall get the fill in the blank information about the table in the form of the table. That is on reading skill. Clear? That is on reading skill. After that, now we are going to write simple sentences. For each line, we have one sentence. In that way, we will be able to write 10 sentences. What you have to do? The first one has been done for you. Example, in the activity 2. In activity 2, we have the writing task. Activity 2. Writing task. In the table, we have these things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. State. First, Assam. Next, festival, name of the festival. Next, time. Next, purpose. Next, speciality. So, what we have included here? Assam. In bracket, we have in the lap of river Brahmaputra. So, our first sentence is, let us write. Our first sentence is Assam is, use this information, in the lap of river Brahmaputra. Can we write this much? Or do we need answer sheet for this? Just use Assam is in the lap of river Brahmaputra. What we did from our own mind? We have just used a verb. We have just used a verb. All the other items are in the table. Clear? Next, come to festival. In festival, we have Bihu is the important festival. Important festival. What we did here? We have a Bihu here and we have the festival here. We have used is. Then Bihu festival is subcategorized. Rangoli Bihu, Kongali Bihu, Magh Bihu. Just what we have to do is celebrated or is observed. We have to write from our own mind up to this only. Is celebrated or is observed. Then put the information. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in the month of. The information is given. Rongali Bihu is celebrated for. Purpose is given. And specialty is given. In this way, we have just designed a writing task. The writing paragraph will be same for all students in the Nuapara district. We do not need any change, any new word from your own mind, because you are fully controlled. You are fully controlled. You do not need any word outside to make a sentence. Just simple sentences. If we are able to write simple sentences, 10 sentences on our own, it will become very easy for us to write a paragraph, to develop a paragraph. As for the need, this may be called paragraph writing. The table is given. The table has been brought from the text. The activity was given in the form of fill in the blank activity, and we can develop a paragraph. In other words, we can say this task is developing a paragraph, writing a paragraph. The paragraph is completely on controlled writing. In our subsequent classes, we will present before you 3 to 4 controlled writing, because there are 7 states, the land of 7 sisters. 2 to 3 or 4 we will design controlled writing activity, developing paragraph writing. Then we have thought of in our mind to transfer controlled writing into parallel writing. Also, for you, we will provide you answer, because this is a new trend you are not acquainted with. So we will give you answer for the table, answer for the sentence. Be satisfied, no problem. Thank you. Let us do, let us write. What we are doing, we are just watching video. We do not take interest about the PDF, and we are remaining silent. Till date, what I saw, some schools, some pilot schools, they have been drawing your picture. You are online. What does it mean? Do you have any problem? I have never received any problem. This time I am interested. If you like, then press the like button. If you press the like button, write comment. If it is hard, if it is steep, it is easy, you have to suggest. If you suggest, then we can design and you will be our subscriber. Don't forget, first you have to go through the text, video clip, do this exercise, and at the same time, if you like, press like button. Write comment. You are free, because this is an online teaching program, and we are here to redesign your need. We are here to redesign your need. It is a very aesthetic step taken by the government of Odisha. I must thank D.O. Nuapara for this program, which was a dream project. Am I clear? So I must thank, we are obliged to D.O. Nuapara for implementing this program, this scheme in Nuapara. And we are there as the supporting hand. Dear students, we are always with you. Feel free, press like button, give comment and subscribe. What to do, what we will do in our next episode. Thank you. Very good.